Okay, we don't very often get out of the workshop, but today we've had a little morning road trip out over to Weston-super-Mare to collect some parts that are remaining from our 997 Mark 1 Cooper rebuild. If you haven't seen any progress of that, have a look over on our Facebook page. We probably will put together a little bit of a short video on that soon enough, but it's starting to come back together now after a massive restoration. So we've been over to pick up some of the bits that were remaining today. So in here we've got lots of bits that we've probably already got, but customer's father stripped numerous minis over the years, so we've ended up picking up some bits and pieces. Might come in handy for the rebuild. The original seats over there, which I don't know whether you can make that out, but they are in terrible condition, so we're going to need to get those sorted. We've got an original grille, which hopefully we're going to be able to save. The original one half of the rear seat over there as well. Some spare wheels, set of headlinings which are no good, but they might come in handy for the frames. And most importantly, we have the original 997 engine, matching numbers engine for the car. We don't know why it was removed. This is actually off the gearbox. I've just propped it on it for storage. We don't know why it was removed. That's going to be interesting to get involved in and find out what we've got. We've also picked up from the same customer an 850 with a magic wand and a 998 with a remote gearbox. I am hoping that we can make one good 997 out of those three if we need them. If we don't, doesn't matter, but they're always handy to have as spares, etc. So I will be doing a video on this 997 purely and simply because this is an engine restoration, if you like. It's not one of our usual fast road builds and everything else. This is going to be a resto, probably with a couple of choice modifications along the way, but outwardly this needs to be right for that little 997. I'm sure this thing is going to be stunning when it's finished. Proper colour, old English white, black roof, red and gold blockade interior, 997 motor. Looking forward to seeing this one done. So there we go. Little chat about what we've been up to today. Makes a pleasant change to be out and about in the workshop, but for now, best crack on. Cheers.